Attention savvy travelers. If you've ever felt like your dreams of exploring the world were held back by financial concerns, fear not. Today, we're about to change that narrative. It's all about smart planning and savvy choices, from timing your trips to picking your lodgings. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty, offering tips and tricks to stretch your dollars, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer. Please take a quick second to hit the like button and stick around to discover how you can make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Our first tip, and perhaps the most crucial one, is to plan ahead. Now, what does planning ahead entail? It's more than just picking a destination and booking a flight. It's about researching, comparing, and deciding. When it comes to booking flights and accommodations, early birds catch the best deals. Airfares and hotel rates tend to rise as the departure date approaches, so it's smart to lock in your travel plans well in advance. But planning is not just about reservations. It's about understanding your destination too. Get to know the cost of living, the local customs, and the must-see spots. This knowledge not only enriches your travel experience, but also helps you budget wisely. For instance, knowing that a city has an efficient public transport system can save you from expensive taxi rides. Or, learning about local eateries can keep you from overpriced tourist traps. Remember, a well-planned trip is a cost-effective trip. Ever considered traveling during off-peak seasons? It's an idea worth exploring, especially if you're on a budget. Off-peak travel, that's when you venture out during times when most people are not, holds a treasure trove of benefits. Firstly, the cost savings can be significant. Airlines and hotels often slash prices during these periods to attract travelers. You could find yourself snagging a great deal on that dream destination. Secondly, fewer people tend to travel during these periods, which means less crowded tourist spots. Imagine having that breathtaking view all to yourself, or not having to jostle with a crowd at a popular museum. Lastly, off-peak travel often provides a more genuine, authentic experience. Locals are more relaxed, and you get a true sense of the place without the hustle and bustle of tourist season. So, don't dismiss off-peak travel. It could be your ticket to affordable adventure. Let's talk about where to stay without spending a fortune. When traveling on a budget, accommodation can often be your biggest expense, but it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of budget-friendly options out there, each with its own unique charm. Hostels, for instance, are a popular choice among budget travelers. They offer dorm-style rooms with shared facilities, creating a community atmosphere where you can meet fellow travelers from around the world. Budget hotels, on the other hand, provide a bit more privacy. They might not have all the bells and whistles of a five-star hotel, but they offer clean, comfortable rooms at a fraction of the cost. And let's not forget about vacation rentals. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent apartments, houses, or even just a room in someone's home, often at prices much lower than traditional hotels. Budget accommodations don't mean compromising comfort. It's all about finding the right place. When it comes to getting around, public transportation is your best friend. Now, that might sound a bit mundane, but let's look at the bigger picture. Public transportation is a lifeline for budget travelers. It's cost-effective, which means more money in your pocket for that delicious street food or an unexpected adventure. In many places around the world, public transport systems are well organized, frequent, and span across wide areas. This makes it incredibly convenient to reach your desired destinations without having to worry about parking or fuel costs. What's more, using public transportation gives you a unique opportunity to experience local life up close. You'll find yourself sharing a bus with locals heading to work, school, or market. It's a chance to observe, understand, and appreciate the rhythm of life in your host city. So don't shy away from the bus, train, or tram tickets. Embrace public transport and save those extra bucks for experiences that really matter. Hungry for some local cuisine? When traveling on a budget, one of the best ways to save money is to eat like a local. This doesn't mean you have to skimp on flavor or variety. Quite the contrary. Local markets and roadside food stalls are often teeming with a wide range of delicious, affordable options. Not only is eating local an excellent way to keep your wallet happy, but it also offers a chance to taste the authentic cuisine of the place you're visiting. From mouth-watering street tacos in Mexico to delectable pad thai in Thailand, local food is a window into the culture of a place. It allows you to engage with the community, learn about regional ingredients and cooking methods, all while enjoying a scrumptious meal. So next time you're traveling, skip the fancy restaurants and tourist traps. Instead, venture into the local markets, try the street food, and immerse yourself in the culinary delights of the region. Eating local is a delicious way to stay within your budget. Who says you need to spend money to have fun? Indeed, a wealth of free or low-cost activities await the savvy traveler. Let's start with exploring parks. Parks are not only great for a leisurely stroll or picnic, but they often host free events like concerts, outdoor movies, and festivals. Next, consider visiting free museums. Many cities boast a plethora of museums that offer free admission or have certain days or hours when entry is complimentary. From art to history, science to culture, there's a museum for every interest. Perhaps one of the best ways to soak in the local atmosphere is by taking self-guided walking tours. All you need is a map and a sense of adventure. Wander through historic neighborhoods, admire architectural gems, and discover secret spots known only to locals. Remember, the best things in life are often free or come at a low cost. With a little research, you can find plenty of fun, free activities to fill your itinerary. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked: travel insurance. You may be thinking, I'm healthy, I'm careful, why do I need it? But remember, even the best laid plans can go awry. You might get an unexpected illness, or your flight could be cancelled due to bad weather. In such cases, travel insurance can be a financial lifesaver. Travel insurance covers a range of incidents, from minor inconveniences like lost luggage to major emergencies like medical evacuations. It's important to read the fine print and understand what's included in your policy. There are different types of plans, so choose one that best suits your needs. While it might seem like an unnecessary expense, consider the potential cost of not having it. The cost of medical care abroad can be astronomical, and without insurance, you're on the hook for all of it. Invest in travel insurance. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. So there you have it, your guide to globetrotting on a budget. We've covered a lot in our journey together. Remember, budget travel isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices. Now go out there and explore the world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. You can check out the links in the description to get some budget-friendly travel items. And if you like this video, be sure to check out our other videos that explore exciting destinations all over the world. You can check those out here.